Are you a senior concerned about feeling lonely or isolated? Do you find yourself drifting apart from your loved ones or having a hard time making new friends? Today we're revealing the 12 habits that seniors should avoid to prevent loneliness and disconnection in their golden years, but it's not what you think. Stay tuned till the end to discover the habits that might be pushing people away and learn how to build meaningful connections that will keep you from feeling lonely. Remember, age is just a number, and by avoiding these habits, you can enjoy a fulfilling and joyful retirement filled with meaningful relationships and a sense of belonging. Let's dive in together. Number 1. Ignoring health symptoms. As we age, it's common to experience small health issues like dizziness, fatigue, or blurry vision. However, many seniors tend to ignore these signs, assuming they're just part of getting older. But what if these seemingly minor symptoms are actually early warning signs of something more serious? Ignoring health issues like high blood pressure, hearing loss, or cognitive decline can have significant consequences as we age. It's important to pay attention to our bodies and seek medical advice when needed. By staying proactive about our health, we can not only prevent major health crises, but also maintain our independence and quality of life as we grow older. So don't let those small issues slip through the cracks. Visiting the doctor regularly and addressing any new or concerning symptoms promptly can make all the difference in ensuring a healthier and happier future. Number 2. Becoming too negative or critical. Negativity and criticism can be toxic for our well-being and our relationships. When we constantly complain about pain, the world, or the younger generation, we create a draining emotional environment that can push others away. It's important to acknowledge that negativity can sometimes be justified. Life can be tough and there are real problems to complain about. But when it becomes a constant habit, it can wear on our relationships and leave us feeling isolated and misunderstood. Instead of focusing on the negative, it's helpful to reframe our thoughts with gratitude and curiosity. By practicing positivity and embracing a growth mindset, we can attract more positive experiences into our lives and strengthen our bonds with others. Remember, negativity won't solve any problems, but positivity just might. Number 3. Refusing help and pushing others away. Accepting help and support from others is a sign of strength, not weakness. As we age, it's natural to want to maintain our independence and do things on our own. But when we refuse help and push others away, we can end up creating distance and disconnection in our relationships. When we accept help, we allow others to feel valued and appreciated. We show them that we trust and care about their well-being, and that strengthens our bond. Learning to say yes, thank you can open the door to closer relationships and a greater sense of belonging. So don't be afraid to reach out to others and ask for help when you need it. You might be surprised by how much it can enrich your relationships and bring you closer to those around you. Number 4. Clinging to the past with regrets and grudges. Holding on to regrets and grudges is like carrying around a heavy backpack full of unnecessary weight. When we dwell on past mistakes or unresolved conflicts, we steal our joy in the present moment. It's important to acknowledge that everyone makes mistakes and we can't change the past. But we can choose to forgive ourselves and others and move forward with grace. Research has shown that forgiveness and letting go of grudges can improve our physical and emotional health, reduce stress, and raise our levels of happiness and well-being. So instead of hanging on to negative emotions, why not try practicing forgiveness and acceptance? It might just be one of the best investments you can make in your emotional well-being. Number 5. Resisting change and stubbornness. Resisting change can be a natural human response, but as we age, it's crucial to stay adaptable and flexible. Whether it's learning to use new technology, adjusting to changing circumstances, or trying new hobbies, change can be intimidating. However, staying open to new experiences can keep our minds sharp, our spirits high, and our relationships strong. Embracing change and learning new things can also help us build connections with younger generations and break down stereotypes. It's never too late to learn something new, so why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can accomplish and the new friendships you can forge along the way. Number 6. Neglecting personal appearance and hygiene. Our appearance matters because it's personal appearance and hygiene, but also how we see ourselves. When we neglect our grooming, wear old or dirty clothes, or skip self-care rituals, we can give off the impression that we don't care about ourselves or those around us. It might seem like a small thing, but it can impact our mood and motivation to socialize. Dressing well and using small accessories like jewelry or a scarf can boost our confidence and make us feel more put together. Keeping clean and groomed shows respect for ourselves and others and makes us feel good about ourselves. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. So take the time to groom yourself and dress in a way that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Number 7. Losing patience easily. Losing patience and snapping at others can create tension and disconnection in our relationships. When we're impatient with slow service, traffic, or family members, we send the message that we're frustrated and unhappy. Being patient not only benefits those around us, but also our own peace of mind. Practicing patience and understanding can help us diffuse difficult situations and create a more positive and harmonious environment for everyone. It's important to remember that everyone is different and has their own pace and challenges. So the next time you find yourself growing impatient, take a deep breath, step back, and try to see things from another person's perspective. You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your relationships and overall well-being. Number 8. Talking too much, listening to little. When we talk too much and listen to little, we create one-sided conversations that leave others feeling unheard and unimportant. This can cause frustration and disconnection, making it difficult to build meaningful relationships. To avoid this, we can practice active listening, asking questions, and resisting the urge to interrupt. By focusing on understanding others and showing genuine interest in their perspectives, we can create more balanced and fulfilling conversations. Being a good listener also helps to build trust and rapport, making us more likable and influential in social situations. So the next time you find yourself in a conversation, make an effort to listen actively and show genuine interest in the other person's thoughts and feelings. You might be surprised at how much it can improve your relationships and enhance your social connections. Number 9. Being overly frugal and forgetting to enjoy life. While being frugal and saving money is important, it's also essential to enjoy life and create meaningful memories. When we focus too much on saving and not enough on experiencing all that life has to offer, we rob ourselves of joy and contentment. Shared experiences like meals, trips, and hobbies create lasting memories and strengthen bonds with others. Research has shown that spending money on experiences rather than material possessions leads to greater happiness and well-being. So it's important to find a balance between financial security and living in the moment. Don't be afraid to treat yourself or your loved ones to a nice meal, a weekend getaway, or an activity you've always wanted to try. You'll be glad you did. Number 10. Criticizing younger generations. It's important to recognize that every generation faces its own unique challenges and has its own strengths and perspectives. When we constantly criticize or compare younger generations, we create a sense of division and resentment. Instead of focusing on our differences, it's helpful to find common ground and celebrate the diversity of perspectives that exist within our families and communities. By embracing the wisdom of older generations and the enthusiasm of younger generations can work together to create a better future for everyone. Remember, the key to strong family ties lies in understanding, acceptance, and love. Hey, wonderful viewers, thanks for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment below. Your engagement helps us continue delivering insightful content. Stay healthy and happy.